Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to use Zoho Books to manage invoices, payments, and expenses for your business. Start by customizing your invoices. Go to the Invoices module under the Sales tab and click the Quick Create icon. Choose your preferred discount, add additional charges like shipping or adjustments, set your tax preferences, and optionally add a salesperson field. Once done, click Save and Continue. You can also go into Settings to add your logo, customize invoice templates, enable online payments, and configure taxes or discounts. To create and send an invoice, click the Quick Create icon again. Fill in the customer name, invoice number, date, and select the items you're billing for. Add customer notes or terms, attach any files, and click Save and Send. The email will automatically use your organization's email as the sender and your customer's email as the recipient. You can attach statements, rename the PDF, or add files up to 11 megabytes. Recording payments is easy. Open the invoice, click Record Payment, enter the amount received, payment date, mode, and account to deposit to, add a reference number or notes if needed, attach receipts, and choose whether to send the thank you email to your customer. You can also record customer payments from the Contacts tab by creating a new transaction and selecting Invoice Payment. This screen also allows posting advance payments or bulk payments. For expenses, click the Quick Create icon under the Expenses module in Purchases. Enter the date, account, payment method, and amount. Attach the receipt if needed, and click Save. And that's how you can use Zoho Books to handle your invoices, payments, and expenses. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more Zoho Books tutorials.